Son.
I am sure it's better than
the intro of the other video?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, good morning everybody. Or good day.
Whenever you see this, good morning, good night, good afternoon.
Alright, so we are back at the gym today after exactly 3 weeks out.
Yep, 3 weeks.
December 7?
7, 8, thereabouts.
Yeah, we paused going to the gym because we had to focus on other things, wedding related, getting things in place also. So we return to gym today. What is one thing you're looking forward to or one thing you're not looking forward to?
I am looking forward to picking up where I left off, hopefully. What I'm not looking forward to is the possible pains I might feel from having taken such a long break. That's one of the things we spoke about and why we need to get back in the gym as soon as possible, because when you just start gym, those first pains, them not nice at all. Yeah, the first couple of weeks I couldn't really walk. I remember. I don't want to go through that again at all. I don't think we're out long enough for that to happen that bad. But for me, one of the things I'm gonna need to work on is to get back up my water intake. That too, yeah. Anyway, let's get out of this bad sunlight and let's go to the gym. Let's go work out. All right, watch out now. Alright, so day one in the gym done. How is it for you? My legs are noodles right now, but it wasn't bad. It was not bad. I'm not going to lie. I can't say the same. I tried to mix it up. My first day back, so I was doing my workouts pretty fast. Tried to have a little cardio mix to it, increase the heart rate type of a thing. Yeah. I need to get back fit, I remember when I was fit. Yeah. I remember it like it was 3 weeks ago. All right, so we have some more things to do on the road. Stop at the supermarket. Also, hopefully, we're going to pick up some packages from the wedding registry. Yes, thank you to everyone who has been supporting us so far. Yeah, and we'll post the link to that wedding registry in the description. You can check it out if you haven't done so as yet. It's an Amazon link. And tell me how the wedding registry works. Like, there are some things that admittedly you added to the wedding registry. So there are a list of items on the wedding registry. Once they have been purchased, you can still see them on the list, but it will say that it's been purchased. If something is out of stock, it will say that it's out of stock. If I added multiple of the same item, like if I said I needed 2 and somebody purchased 1, it will still say that I need 1, that sort of thing. So when you purchase now, it is shipped to our US shipping address and taken to us here in Jamaica. Yeah, so we just get it right here in Jamaica. Yeah. Oh, so the address is all right. They just buy the thing and it just comes. Yes, it goes straight to our address. So check out the wedding registry. It's just some things for the house. We have been very practical with the wedding registry. Nothing. Oh, by the way, my aunt, I was speaking to her over the weekend and she said, how come I say you don't need pots and dishes and then I'm getting a list for our wedding registry? Auntie, there are no pots and dishes on the wedding registry, okay? Yeah, man, but blessings. Let's get on with the day.
right, so we are back home right now. We have some things that we got from the shipping company. Just some things from the wedding registry.
Yes.
And we'll be talking you through that. Lend me your phone, let me film from this end too.
Okay.
Yeah. So whatever do we have here? You remember when I said that?
Yes. Oh my God, whatever have we here? All right, this says, a gift for you, enough love and blessings to you both from Paulette Dawson. That's my aunt.
Paulette, thank you very much.
These are springform cake pans.
Mm-hmm. What are springform cake pans?
All right, so I call them quick release. I don't know if they are quick release, but they make the baking process so much easier when it's time to remove the cake from the cake pan.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so
I don't know these things.
It's a whole kit. I'm realizing, ooh, a whole kit. All right, so it comes with grease liners so that the cake doesn't stick to the pans, and cake knives.
Grease liners.
Grease liners.
Yeah, cake knives and
more grease liners. And then there are different sizes. So I'll just do the small one so you can understand the concept of it. All right, so we open. All right, this one is new to me, so bear with me. There we go. And
oh, so if you want to take the cake out,
right.
Oh, okay.
And you don't have to worry about, you know, turning the cake upside down to catch it in your hand and
okay.
Yeah.
Next in, we have a paper towel holder. You should be able to figure out how this works.
Paper towel goes on the taller end, and for those of you who like to be fancy, you can fold and tuck through this. I will do a video demonstration. You can insert it here.
Will do. Next up, we have
a comforter set.
Mm-hmm. Okay, pretty straightforward. It
Yeah,
goes on the bed.
What comforters are.
It goes on the bed. And what are these? I realize you like organization things.
So if you have been on the registry, you'll see a recurring theme, and that is organization. I like things tucked away neatly, and I need space to do so. If it's a big open space, I feel like the organization process is not being done right.
Okay.
So, fridge organizer bin. Should I open it?
They look like.
You can.
Do they look like this?
They look like this. There we go.
Right, we got it. All right. Let's. Oh, some other gift receipts are in.
All right. This one. All right. So that one says, "Congratulations on your nuptials. Continued blessings. The Carty family from Uncle Edwin, Lynette, Howard, and Monique."
All right. More individuals in your family,
That's
right?
the receipt.
All right. On to the next box. Let's look at this first. What is this, please?
These are bath mats. All right. It's a pack of 2. It's a pack of 2, just so you have something to step on when you get out of the shower.
Of course, I dry off before coming out of the shower.
And some of us don't, okay?
All right, and here we go. Let me capture this one for you. This is...
You will be able to describe that one best, I think.
Okay, so this is our audio interface. What will this be used for? Working from home. Jhoni will be, a lot of what you hear on air right now, because of COVID, a lot of work from home is happening. And when Jhoni is doing news and things like that, will be done from home. In the box, let me see if I can grab the contents. In the box, you have the audio interface. There is a mic that comes along with it. No guitar and computer and keyboard or the speakers don't come with it, but the earphones also come with it. So it's a nice little bundle. And I am wondering, maybe we should open it, because I'm wondering if there's like when somebody sends a gift, if they sent a message to. Let's see. So yes, that is the manual. Let's show it down here. Yes, thank you. Manual. Jhoni, please read the manual. Okay. The USB cable to connect it to the computer. The headphones are in here. Jhoni won't use those. The mic cable, the microphone. I like this style of microphone. Yeah, so it's going to come in very much so handy when we are working from home. This microphone that comes with it, it's I like the style of the microphone, and when we set this up, hopefully, for those of you who are listening on radio, if you hear no major difference, then that is a good thing. Or my current at-home setup, it sounds, for those of you who listen to the show, it sounds like I'm in studio. So if you hear no major difference with this setup, that's a good thing. Today, I'll be working from studio. You'll be?
Working from home.
Working from home. Yeah. So maybe on the show today, you will get your first taste of what this setup sounds like. In addition to all of this, we also got this toaster. This is a toaster that we have been eyeing for quite a while.
Oh yes, we actually wanted to buy it a lot sooner, but it didn't end up happening. So thank you.
Thank you. Yes. And we also got this toothbrush holder
/ toothpaste
dispenser. Yeah, it's pretty cool to use and everything. What else did we get? These bowls. If you thought bowls.
Like bowling?
Oh, okay. If you follow me on Twitter, you'd see me talking about these. I drink my porridge out of this for breakfast, and yeah, they're nice. Yeah. Did we cover everything?
I think that's it.
So that's it so far. Let's see if anybody else uses the registry. And as we said, the registry will be linked below that like button. My phone is ringing. Yeah, so check out the registry, see if there are any items that you would want to help us with as we try to make this house
a home. Speaking of, I love home items, so you'll realize that there are a lot of home items on it. I'm trying to contain myself. I have been trying to contain myself, but I am really excited about all of this.
I think it shows. Listen, thank you for watching. The support on the channel since this month of December. I won't tell you what changed in December, but the support on the channel since this month of December has been amazing. I want to go into some more details about that, maybe in my next video. But continue watching, continue liking, continue subscribing, continue sharing, and continue leaving your comments as we respond to you.
Yes, I have been responding.
Until next time, I'm Mical Forsythe.
And I'm Jhoni-Lee Forsythe.
I love to hear when you say that. Over and out.
Some of us survived gym, some of us did not. I don't think this video will be used.
That's special, like